Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So today I am here with a new data scraping bot, PagesJaunes Data Scraper version 2.0. In this video, I'll show you how you can use this bot to scrap business listing from pagesjaunes.com. So finally, when you get this zip file, you have to extract it first into a simple folder, and after that you have to open this exe file. So this is our bot. In this section, you have to put your search URLs. Let's collect some search URLs from website. For example, we type restaurants in this location. So here are the results, and here are 107 results. Simple copy its link and paste here, and let's collect another link. For example, in this location, and here are 340 results. Simple copy its link and paste here. Once you put your links, just click start button. Now it has loaded the first link, and now it will be scraping all the results from this link. Now it is scraping the data. It is not scraping some columns yet. They are disabled by default. You can enable them from the options here. Now it is scraping all the columns, and in this version the main thing is its speed. In the previous version it was scraping very slowly, and you can count the number of rows by right clicking here, and you can pause it or resume it at any time and can do anything on your PC. And if you are going to scrap a very large amount of data, you can use this feature to stay notified by the time, and you can see the time. I am going to pause the video for a while, and after that I'll show you how to export this data into Excel file. Okay, it has scrapped all the results, and now I show you how to export this scrapped data into Excel file. Click export button and choose your output location like my desktop, and choose your output format here and click export. So this is the scrap data. So this is our tool, and it can scrap thousands of records from PagesJaunes. If you want to get this tool or have any questions, you can contact me. The contact details are provided in the description, and I am open to custom projects, so reach out if you want any custom solutions. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.